And she's fucked up. You can't help it. And then got throwing food. That was hell. Why she wakes up? I'm get up. Hell no. That's hell.